right, about to go ziplining. You know how I feel about ziplining. My first T-Bex, I went ziplining in Puerto Rico, so this is great. This is a full circle moment real quick. Yay! Hi, I'm Karen. Nice to meet you.
Zipline, and you're gonna have the choice. We at least gonna do it 2 times. If one, it's okay. It's only on you with your items. If it falls down, we're not going to fish it out of the river.
I'm not going in the river.
Leg.
Okay, I think it needs to be tighter though.
It's all right.
It's all right.
Yeah.
It's not too loose.
Yes, it was, but it's all right. I do that at the right. Do your legs.
Well, yeah.
Need to touch a bit more.
Okay.
You can take in your hands your 2 big carabiner at the end of your blue rope. If you want to open them, those are 2 times 2 action. 2 action portes, the door, 2 action door. So you need to move it down, and after that inside. You can practice either with your fingers or your thumb, so the method you prefer. After that you can clip one inside the other. A bit further on your equipment you have a 3rd carabiner, simple action. You can clip it also in one of the 2 big carabiner. And to your right you're gonna have a loop that you can take the first big carabiner and clip it directly in it. Yeah.
Okay.
So you can take your zipline carabiner. So this one has the same door as the big one, so 2 times action. And you have a piece of plastic again to your right, so you can open the door and slide it from up to down inside, just like Miss Karine. Good.
All right, we suited and booted. GoPro ready, carabiner and all of this going on. I'm out. My button is popped. Okay. I'm ready.
Clip them always on the steel cable. Use your carabiner is really to move them one after the other. So I unclip one, I clip it right after, unclip the other, and right after. It eliminates the danger to open them both at the same time.
Okay.
Carabiner, it doesn't have a sense, so you can pull it door first, in front or at the back. It's all right, both of them. After that, one carabiner directly on the cable at the front of your zipline, and the second one at the back of your zipline carabiner, and you finish in putting them both on the ears, front at the back of this one. You can hold to your 3 ropes. You can sit in your harness completely, and you let yourself go directly in the zipline. Platform at the end is a bit elevated, so to make sure you don't hurt your feet at the end. That's the only thing you need to do. There is no danger at this time.
So before we got off the bus, they showed us pictures of poison ivy so we could avoid touching anything that looked like poison ivy. I still would not be able to recognize it, to tell you the truth. So I ain't touching nothing. Let's just start there. All right, crossing the bridge for the zip line. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look at this. Look at that. All right, so we just made it to the zip line platform. There's only one zip line, but it's really dope because over this like rushing water down here, you can see it. Kind of see that in. So that's dope. Got my GoPro. Really excited about that. So this is gorgeous. Yeah? Okay. go around? Good. Here. Okay. And I hold on to right here, right? So this one? And we're gonna wait. I haven't seen him. Okay. And just so bad. Oh,
Good job.
Thank you. Woo. I was a little nervous.
The first one is always that. You can unclip your zipline carabiner.
Okay.
Good
There
job.
we go. Thank you.
You can go down to the right.
Okay. All right. So I just zip lined over the water. It was pretty nice. It was a short zip line, so I didn't get a whole lot of spins and whatnot. Just got started and it was over. But it was beautiful, so I'm excited. I'm about to go do it a second time. His hand. All right. All right. Okay. Perfect. All right. Into the cave we go. Cool. Spelunking. This is really neat.
Oh, I've done it on 0.5 so that it would get more like super wide. Yeah. So
Goodness.
what's that like? Oh, and then
Nearly.
Thanks to the desk.
Yes.
Oh, you know, I thought you did it. All right, we're heading back to the bus. That was pretty dope. Super ready. Got my GoPro.